Welcome. Please take a seat and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. This place feels so peaceful.
We're here to help you relax. Just let me know if you need anything.
I appreciate it.
I'm just getting everything ready for you.
Thank you. It already feels so calming in here.
I'm glad to hear that. We'll start with a warm towel to help you relax.
Sounds wonderful.
This mask will help your skin feel refreshed and hydrated.
It feels so soothing. I can already feel it working.
That's wonderful. Just relax and let the mask do its magic.
Thank you. This is exactly what I needed.
This essential oil will help you relax even more. It has a calming effect.
It smells wonderful. Very soothing.
I'm glad you like it. Just take deep breaths and let the aroma work its magic.
Thank you. I feel so peaceful.
How's the water? Is it comfortable?
It's perfect. The warm water and rose petals feel so relaxing.
I'm glad you like it. Just take your time and enjoy.
Thank you. I feel completely at peace.